So I started thinking about what makes teaching so great, and it dawned on me when students get excited about their learning in the class. One of the things I've been working on for a few years and will continue to do so is how to make the content I enjoy teaching so much more engaging to students with the hopes of a transfer value to other courses. No matter how good my content is, or should I say, no matter how good I think it is, or how animated I relay that information in a course, the quest is always the same. Connection through engagement leads to course content excitement and is followed by a transfer value to other classes, courses, paths, and careers. While the aesthetics of a course are very cool and fun to play with, ask yourself this question: who is the audience? In our music concert programming, we always consider the audience. So why not do that in our lecture courses as well? One of the brick walls in online education is the flow of design, and if we break through that wall, we can get to a harmonious, universal design. I'd like to sum up the importance of accessible lessons by the great Ron Mace, Center for Universal Design in North Carolina. Universal design is the design of products and environments to be usable by all people to the greatest extent possible without the need for any adaptation or specialized design. And if I could also add that by having accessible lessons in your course, this will benefit all students enrolled in online, hybrid, or face-to-face sections due to the ubiquitous use of Blackboard Ultra in some capacity relative to the mode we teach.